Welcome to the Sage Doctor tutorial on how to resolve the 1920 error where the Sage 50 control service failed to start. Hi, I'm Anna. I will walk you through this course. Error 1920 is one of the most common errors in Sage 50. Here, Sage 50 control service failed to start. First of all, run Sage 50 as an administrator. Run an antivirus scan to check any anomalies. Resolve any issues that are shown by antivirus scans. Launch the installation again. Install any Windows updates that exist. Delete any temporary files that may exist. Finally, repair the Microsoft .NET framework. Hope you learned something new in this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos.